What are we gonna do?
A slime bug hunt.
We've got mud and slime and a bunch of random items and some bugs. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a muddy slime and then we're gonna mix in a bunch of random items to throw you off. And then we're gonna mix in the bugs.
Yay!
Yay! And then you guys are gonna take turns trying to find bugs in the muddy slime. Mommy's gonna flip the hourglass, and before the hourglass is up, you have to find a bug in the muddy slime. And whichever bug you find, you have to go find it in our yard. And then whoever wins the challenge gets to slime the other person in the face. Does that sound fun?
Oh, I think Braden's gonna get slimed in the face.
I think Daddy is.
Oh, yeah?
All right, let's make some muddy slime first.
What's a spider? That is so gooey slime.
You really want this slime on your face, Braden?
I think you want the slime.
Oh, you think I want the slime on my face? I don't know about that.
Sticky, gooey.
Not all of us.
Maybe just do a little at a time and see what happens.
Yeah.
Alright. Get your hands in there and just...
You gross!
throw it everywhere.
All right, here we go, some water. That is a really muddy slime.
Alright, here we go. What are these things? Ooh, little beads. Ooh, shiny.
This is gonna be such a mess.
I think the mud actually helps with the slime not sticking to you, though.
Oh, good, perfect.
I can do that too.
All right.
Ooh, look at these things.
That looks fancy.
Get out of my fingers.
Oh no! Stick your hand in, Braid. Just go, and it should just come right off into the slime. All right, now do them the other way. Do them upside down. Upside down. Yup.
Nice. So
The ant.
ant. You gotta find an ant if you find that one. If you find this one, it's a ladybug or a beetle. This one's a toad or a frog. This one's a worm. This is a butterfly or a moth. This is a bee or a wasp. This one's a spider. And if you get the bird, you have to find a cockroach.
You ready?
So mix that all up super good.
Look at it. Look at this.
Are you ready to play
Yeah.
a slime bug hunt? Look, Kins. We got muddy bug slime.
Where's the blue slime though?
You ready?
Yes.
Set. Go!
I got frog.
Daddy's got a frog. All right, Daddy, you gotta find a frog. I got Bumblebee! You're
Uh-oh.
Bumblebee. Okay, you gotta find a bee or a wasp.
Get it off my fingers. There we go. Okay.
Oh, I got Bumblebee. I got Bumblebee. I got Bumblebee.
All right, you gotta find a bee or a wasp.
I did big head.
It is pretend.
I can find a frog.
There's a spider hanging. Ah! Find one, Daddy?
Not yet.
Go find one, Bray. You got this. It's running out quick. Bees love flowers. You see, honey? Find one?
No, not yet. I only see the wasp for bees. I don't see one. I see flowers.
2 spider webs.
See?
Oh, wow. There are 2 spider webs right there. Find one, Daddy?
Nope.
Brayden, did you look in the shed?
Oh. They only have
see any? Timer's out. No wasp, no toad. 0 to 0. Time for round 2. Here we go. Ready, set, find a bug.
I found a ladybug.
You found a
Oh, you
ladybug?
found a ladybug. Gotta go find a beetle.
ladybug or a beetle. Ready, set, go.
It's
Yeah.
so sticky, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your yellow rake is over there. Grab it quick. What did you find, Daddy?
I don't think I found anything. I'm still looking.
Bug hunting in slime is not easy.
Oh, I think Daddy found the ant.
Daddy found. Is that what it is?
Yeah. This should be an easy point.
What'd you find?
Fire chicken.
To fire ants? Oh, don't tell Daddy. He's looking for an ant. There's a worm.
Yeah.
Ah! What was that? Whoa, that's a big worm. Gross.
That's my snake.
That's for a snake, that's right. Where did the beetles go? Are they all done for the season? Because usually there's a bunch of them. Another worm! Did you find one?
Yes.
Oh, you got one!
Yay! I got one.
There's a beetle! Ah! That's pretty too, it's really shiny. How many points do you have? 1 point. Got one, Daddy?
I got an ant. It's a big one, too.
Where is it?
Oh, he's up in the corner up here.
Really? Wow, Daddy barely got it in time. Good job, Daddy. 1 to 1. All right, round 3. Ready, set, go.
Let's look over the bug.
Ooh, okay, I found something.
get?
That's definitely the worm, I think.
We're finding lots of worms out there.
Ooh.
Yup, that's
There's
the
the
worm.
worm.
All right, Daddy, you got lots of time to find a worm. Come on, Bray Bray, you got this. Find those bugs, find those bugs. What'd you find? What'd you find? Brayden found the spider one.
Did you find the rose?
Yes.
Brayden gets to find a spider.
I found something.
Daddy's gonna look for a worm right here.
It's a baby worm, but it's a worm.
That is a super small worm. Good job, Daddy.
Right
2 to
there.
1.
Daddy's got 2 points.
I want to see.
We gotta find a spider. Can we do it? All right, let's do it. There's lots of worms. Whoa! Look at that toad. That's a big toad.
Daddy! There's a food over
We found a toad, Daddy. You missed the toad opportunity. There he is.
Oh, man.
He's big, too.
He's a big toad. Was he just sitting on the tree over there?
No, he was in the grass. What? That's right.
I got 2 points. 2.
Oh, yeah? That was super easy.
That spider. That's a cool spider. All right, one more round. This might end up being a tie because there's some hard bugs to find here. Are you ready? Set. Go! I think we have a moth or butterfly left, and we have a cockroach left. So which one are you guys gonna find?
Right?
Ready?
Cockroaches are so hard to find.
They are hard to find, aren't they?
Yeah.
That's a stick. Just a stick.
Ooh. What'd you find?
The bird.
Daddy's gotta find a cockroach.
But I mean, like for bonfire moss.
Did you find it?
It is.
It is? You got it? Good job. All right.
Follow me.
Brayden, come here. There's something over there in the wood. You see that? There it goes. Yeah! Got a butterfly, Daddy.
Yay! So Daddy gets to slime in his face.
Maybe. Let's see.
Brayden, do you know where the cockroaches are?
Follow me.
Okay.
Daddy.
The sand is up. Brayden wins.
Woohoo! Daddy can get to slime in his face.
Ah. You want these, Daddy?
No. You are the master bug finder.
Thanks. Daddy get him slime in his face.
All right, Daddy gets mud slimed. Dirt slimed. Here we go. Ready, set, go.
Okay.
It doesn't even stick. You got lucky.
No. It doesn't work.
All right, we're gonna try a handful. Be gentle, Bray. Try as you might.
He gets a slime on his face. Gross.
All right, Bray, have kids. Hey, look. Come up. Good game. Oh, yeah. No. We're all done.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Look for mine.